Hello, sweet beans! Would you like to be able to use channel points to change the color of your VTuber model and giving your viewers a fun thing to do while you're streaming? I've got you covered! So for this tutorial, you're technically going to need 3 programs: Steam, VTube Studio, and Mix It Up. You're going to need Steam, which if you just go into Google and you search Steam, it's the first thing. And click Install Steam. Once you have Steam installed, go to the storefront and search for VTube Studio and push the free button, and that'll be how you install it. And for the Mix It Up bot, you're gonna go to mixitupapp.com and click the download button, and that'll take you all the way down to the installer. So the first program we're going to work with is VTube Studio. So open that up and you're going to hit the little person and you're going to have to import your own model. To do that, you push this button here and you copy and paste the folder that your model is into this folder. So once you're done that, push OK, then push the little person again, and it should show up here in this lineup. Ignore the double people. I don't know why it's doing that for me. I clearly have broken the program. So once that's done, you're gonna click the cogwheel and we're gonna go to the little person with the cogwheel. And we're gonna customize the model and go to customize multi/screen color for art meshes, because we're gonna change some fun colors. And make sure that the person who did your artwork is okay with you recoloring the model. Just like a common courtesy thing. Like if you did it yourself, like you don't need to search inside and ask if it's okay if you change the colors of your own model. But just if you had an artist do your art, just make sure it's a-okay. You know, just be polite about it and then push the OK button. And for this tutorial, we're going to do just the hair. And I say that and I'm probably gonna do more. But as you can see, the red will light up what I'm highlighting. It'll highlight a couple things around that area. So luckily I've named bangs bangs, so I know it's that. Toggle it on, and now we start with the multi. Let's see. We do, oh, I like that. Oh, maybe that. Okay, we do that. Click OK. Then okay. And if you're not sure what an art mesh is because you didn't name them, you can click the eyeball and it'll highlight it for you. So toggle the next one, and you don't have to copy and paste the number. You can just paste last multicolor and it does it for you. Huzzah! Then the last screen one. Huzzah! Alright, so now we go into speed mode. So I'll see you when I'm done this. So quick thing, if you play around with other colors and then you realize, oh, I've missed something, you can reselect something that's already been changed and click OK twice, and then click the thing that has been changed, and the paste will work. This is also a really fun way to change up your model without having to get outfits. But be careful, because sometimes it'll make you question whether you picked the right colors for your model. And let's say that you changed the colors of something and you didn't like it and you want it to go back to the way it was. Just toggle it off and then it'll be back to the way it was and you can start over. So when you're done changing all the colors that you want to change on your model, click the OK button and then go to the action board. You're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom to the plus button. You won't have as many expressions if you're just starting. So push the plus button, and we're gonna need to name this hotkey. So click the little pencil and then type in whatever you want this to be. This doesn't really matter. This is just for your brain only. I'm gonna say change model to tropical drink, and then we're going to click hotkey action, and this, what we want it to do is change the art mesh color preset. So click that and select, and we're going to record the settings by pushing the button below, and now it has recorded all 20 of my art meshes that I changed. Now, in order for this to toggle on, it needs a key. And I have found it is very important to have this on something that you are not going to push on a regular basis. So click E1. If you go to filter, you can type in 19, and lo and behold, F19. That's not on my keyboard, so I'm gonna use it. There's also F18, 17, and 16, all the way down to 13. So those are all good options for you to use. So now we're going to open up the Mix It Up bot, and it is very important that you keep VTube Studio open, because Mix It Up won't be able to change your model if VTube Studio is not open. Okay, now you're going to open up the Mix It Up bot. So if you're new to Mix It Up, you're going to have to click the new streamer and accept this, and then it'll take you through this, and you'll have to connect through Twitch. But I am already signed in, so I'm just gonna log into my account and ignore the colors of Mix It Up. I played around with the colors. You can change the colors of the menus, which is fun with Mix It Up. I like teal. Okay, now that we have this open, you're gonna go to the 3 buttons at the top, and you're gonna scroll down all the way to services. And first we need to connect VTube Studio. So we're gonna click VTube Studio, and I'm already connected, so I'm gonna disconnect just to show you. Push the connect button. VTube Studio is gonna come up and be like, do you want this? And you be like, yes, let me have fun. And then Mix It Up is like, huzzah, we connected, we friends, we bros. And you're going to go up to Twitch channel points. We're gonna make a new channel point. Now, you have to make it in Mix It Up bot. Don't make it in Twitch, because Mix It Up will not recognize it if it has been made in Twitch. So we're gonna create a new channel point reward, and I'm gonna call it Make Me a Tropical Drink, and click OK. And it'll tell you it's successfully been created. You're gonna go over and you're gonna push the little bubble with the pencil in it, and we're gonna edit the command. Now you can add a lot of actions. There's lots of stuff you can do to this. But for now we're going to add just a couple things for the example. So first off, we need to be able to change the color when the reward is claimed. So find VTube Studio here in the action, click it, and push the plus button. That'll add it to the list of commands. And the action is we want to run a hotkey. Click the model, whatever your model name is in the list, and the hotkey, which is the expression you just called it. So for me, it was change model to tropical drink. And I really like to do, for my channel point rewards, I like to add like a chat message. So like, I'm pink. And you can also add sounds and images as well. Like there's a lot of options here for you. When you're done, push the save button. I'm gonna make myself yellow real fast. And now if you push test command, I've changed colors. And there you have it. You will have to go into Twitch in order to change how much the reward costs and the description, but everything else you should do in the Mix It Up bot. Otherwise, it will get very angry at you. All right? You can go back into the command, and you know, if let's say I didn't like the message, I can edit it still. So you can still edit this stuff. And let's say I don't want this command to run today. I can toggle it off. Also, a fun little thing is at the end of your stream, You've been changed multiple times. Maybe you have multiple rewards that change you different colors, and you want to be back to normal. Whatever the last color you've been turned to, whatever the last command was, just test that one, and it'll turn you back. And there you go. There you go. I hope this helps, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Also, make sure to push like the follow button and a thumbs up, and I stream on Twitch. Yeah, come say hi on my streams. Links in the description. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!